Right. Boat, what do we call this? Boat thing 101. Slime. Everyone gets it if you stick your boat in the water. Most people use a product like Zing to get it off, which is hydrochloric acid crap. Oh, it's not crap, it's really good stuff. Zing. I don't know, it's like 12 bucks a bottle. Pretty expensive. We're going to show you a little something. The works bathroom toilet bowl cleaner. Put it in a little spray bottle. Spray your slimy area down on the boat. By the time you lock and get your rag, come back. Look at that. Just as good as Zing and much cheaper and not as potent on the skin. It doesn't burn when you touch it. So there you go. Later.